Hi, I'm Ian Waddington and I'm a welder fabricator. I'm a former pro drift driver and I'm currently building drift cars that are used all over Europe in competition. Direnza have invited me down to take a look at the brand new MVT Intercooler for the Ford Focus RS. The Direnza Intercooler features clever technology known as MVT. MVT, multi-vane technology, are specifically designed vanes located in the end tank. Using flow analysis simulations to model airflow through the intercooler, you can see how the air flows across the core. The MVT vanes stop the formation of turbulence and also redirect the airflow so that the whole core is utilised, not just part of it. This makes the intercooler perform much better. It's a bolt-on kit complete with pipes, so I'm going to fit it to the car and see what it's all about. An intercooler's job is to cool the air coming from the turbo. Colder air is more dense, which means you can squeeze more into your engine, resulting in more power and ultimately more fun. Aftermarket intercoolers are designed to do a better job of cooling this air. They will generally be bigger, but bigger is not always better. Bar and plate for cooling and durability and rounded end tanks to stop turbulence forming gives less restrictive flow. As well as upgrading the intercooler, the connecting pipework is also important. Not all intercoolers come complete as a kit. You don't really want a well-performing intercooler with restrictive pipework. Without any sort of engine remapping, it made 308.3 brake horsepower. That's 9.4 more than standard, with a torque reading of 338.4. That's 6.3 foot-pounds of torque gained. A decent upgrade for a bolt-on part, which offers even more potential gains if combined with a remap. Track tests on this intercooler showed the temperatures to be up to 8.4 degrees lower than standard. The lower outlet temperatures provide better performance whilst also protecting the engine. The pressure drop across the intercooler was also 0.62 psi lower than standard. The lower pressure drop meaning that the turbo does not need to work so hard to create the same amount of boost. An uprated intercooler is pound for pound one of the best modifications you can make. If you're in the market, Direnza's MVT should be the top of your list.